Hey there friends, welcome to another unboxing. Today I'm checking out the Grepro car jump starter. It's 18,000 mega amp hours and it's supposed to jump start up to a 7.5 liter gas engine or 5.5 liter diesel. Also, it can charge your cell phones or gaming devices and power different things. So pretty sweet here. Let's see. So it's got 8 smart protections, it says here. Reverse charge protection, short circuit protection, voltage difference protection, overcharge protection, over discharge protection, reverse polarity protection, over current protection, over temperature protection. So this is like a super handy thing to have even if you have jump starter cables or jumper cables, whatever they're called. You might not have another car nearby that can give you a jump or that wants to give you a jump. So this is kind of a good idea where you can just carry this along with you. And not only can it charge your electronics devices if you need a little bit of extra juice, but it can jumpstart your car too, which is kind of nice. So it's a nice thing to have as maybe a extra thing in the car. So this runs about $70 on Amazon. And I'll leave a link in the description below if you guys want to check it out. So here we go. That is pretty slick. So it comes this nice little case here. That's pretty nice. Jump starter GP181. It has a little baggie here in the back. So that's a pretty cool little bag. It's got a little lanyard on there. You can hang it from a hook or something. So pretty neat there. What is in the bag here, my friends? So first things first, coming out of here is, looks like a cigarette lighter adapter. So you can hook this up to the battery and charge things that you can stick in your cigarette adapter, all kinds of different things, cell phone chargers, heated seats, a cooler, just a bunch of different applications there. So all right, here we go. The next cord here is we have a USB to USB-C cord. And we have a cigarette lighter adapter as well. So interesting. Let me see, this goes into that, doesn't it? Yes, it does. And these also doesn't plug into there, but okay. So you got both types there. Here we go with power cord. Looks like this is to charge the whole system up with, I would assume. Here we go with the jumper cables. Even has little lights on here, shows you reverse, correct, and boost, and little instructions here as well. Make sure at least 4 capacity indicators are lit up on the battery. Plug the blue end of the smart jumper cables into the jump starter. So this thing here, connect the 2 clamps to the vehicle's battery, red and black. So nice little instructions there, super easy. Clamp those on the battery. That's got a nice firm grip on it. Copper, looks like connections there. That's pretty sweet. All right, what else we got in the bag here? A lot of goodies. Here we go with the user manual for that. And there it is. So this little bag has dual compartments here. Little shelf here on the top for the device, and the pocket that separates all the connectors in there. So nice little bag. I kind of like that. All right, so let's check out the deal here, my friends. Caution, it says fully charge before use. Seems rather important, but we're going to check out. I'll pull this off of there real quick if I can. Doesn't want to come off of there. Okay, so here is the battery pack itself. Like I said, 18,000 mega amp hours. Output input 15 volt 1 amp, output quick charge 5 volt, 9 volt, 5 volt, and 12 volt to 10 amps. Starting current 350 amps, peak current 1200 amps, 1200A. Anyways, please do not use this device in strict accordance with the user manual. Do not connect to the wrong battery terminals or hook them up together. Yeah, it could almost be like a taser type thing. Okay, so it's got a little, my goodness, a little compass on top, which is kind of cool. I wonder if I can just turn on the flashlight. It should probably be all right. Has a flashlight on there, which is nice. Looks like it does SOS and the standard thing. So it looks like we're showing 4 bars already here for the charge. I'm going to charge it up fully anyways. It has a nice kind of a nice silicone edge around here. Here's your plug-ins. It's got for the jumper cable right here that plugs in there. It's got a output for a 12 volt 10 amp. That could be for the cigarette lighter, I believe. And it's got a couple of outputs for USB as well. So those are 5 volt and 2.1 amp and 9 volt. So a couple of ports there and output for the cigarette lighter, which you can put different things in as well. So pretty sweet. I kind of like that everyone's got cell phones now, so and you seem to never have enough battery, so having one of these handy not only can jumpstart your car, but on a long trip you can charge up your devices as well. If you go camping or something like that, it's got a compass, got a light on there. Super handy to have. So that's the unboxing video, my friends. I'm going to be doing a review, try to jumpstart my car actually with this bad boy once I get it charged up. So I'm going to be doing that demonstration video. I will leave a link in the description below of that when I get it finished. So thanks for watching this unboxing, my friends. Everyone have a great day out there, and we'll see you soon.